In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Microsoft Word. If you're looking to customize your document and make it easier to read or better fit your style, adjusting the font size is one of the simplest and most effective ways to do so. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or just your personal notes, understanding how to manipulate text size can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. Once your document is open, you'll want to decide which portion of the text you wish to resize. Using your mouse, highlight the specific text that you want to change. This can be a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document. Selecting the text ensures that only the chosen area will be affected by the size adjustment. Once you've highlighted your text, direct your attention to the ribbon located at the top of the Word window. Here, you'll see multiple tabs. You'll want to click on the Home tab if it isn't already selected. The ribbon is essentially your command center in Word, where you can access a variety of formatting tools. Now, within the Home tab, look for the Font group. This section is packed with useful tools to help you modify the appearance of your text. Focus on the font size box within this group. It's usually right beside the font style box and might be displaying a number like 11 or 12 depending on your current default settings. Click the small drop-down arrow next to this font size box. Doing so will reveal a list of preset font sizes. These are common sizes that are widely used, ranging from very small to quite large. Simply scroll through this list and select the size that best suits your needs. Once you click on your desired size, you'll notice the change happens instantly, applying the new size to your selected text. If you have a particular size in mind that isn't listed, Word allows for even more precision. Click directly into the font size box itself. You can type any number you like, including decimals such as 10.5. After typing in your preferred size, just press enter on your keyboard and your text will immediately reflect the new size. And there you have it, a straightforward way to customize your document by changing font sizes in Microsoft Word. With these easy steps, you can ensure your text is not only the perfect size for readability, but also aesthetically fits the theme of your document. Feel free to experiment and adjust as needed to get just the right look for whatever project you're working on. Happy formatting!